Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear cadets of class 10, I welcome you all in my today's online class. Dear cadets, how are you? I hope you are safe and sound at your sweet home. In this pandemic situation, we are unable to arrange the regular class in classroom. That's why we are arranging for you the online class facilities. So cadets, now I am presenting before you an lecture in online instead of your regular classroom lesson. Cadets, I'm Mr. Ruhul Amin Mukhtar, Assistant Professor of Political Science. Today's subject of the lecture is Bangladesh and Global Studies, Civics Part, Chapter 8. Title of the lecture chapter is Democracy of Bangladesh and the Election. Topic, Political Party. My dear cadets, now learning outcomes of today's lesson. After listening the class, the cadets will be able to learn the meaning of topic related to some important and tough words. Next, after listening the class, you will be able to narrate the concept of the political party. Thirdly, after finishing the class, you will be successfully explain the definition of political party. Finally, you will be sufficiently able to describe the aims and objectives of political party. Dear cadets, now I am presenting the introductory speech on political party. Cadets, politics, political activities, political leader, political party, and political governance are very buzzwords at present world. A political party is an important organization in the modern state governance. This should keep in mind. In fact, nowadays, a representative government means a political government or political governance. My dear cadets, this should be keep our mind that no existence of the democratic state is imagined without the political parties. So, the public opinion, party manifesto, supporters of politically conscious citizen groups are formed centralizing on the political parties. Dear cadets, have a look on some political party related and concerned words. If you know the meaning and idea of these words, you will be able to understand very clearly and nicely of today's lecture and the essence of the lecture. First word is manifesto. The literary meaning of manifesto, printing statement of principles and policies made by leader. Each and every political party have their own manifesto. Without the manifesto, a political party is like a ship without the sail or sailor. Second one is endeavor. This is the finest characteristics of a political leader, which is expected from you too. As a cadet, you are the future leader. So we are expecting from you, endeavor means continuous attempt or effort to make you an able and worthy citizen of the country to face the coming challenges and ensure the progress and development of the nation as well as the international humanity. Third foremost word is agenda. This word is very much related with the political party, political activities, policies and program of political parties. Not only related with the political party, rather this word is also related with the office or meeting and gathering. So every office meeting have their own agenda. It means the matter of business to be discussed. Next word is assume. Literally, assume means to accept or take something for his, her own. Number 5, word electoral. Though here electoral is relating to the elections, this is the specific word usually used during the election in America, electoral college. In our country, electors. Next one is very important one, alliance. Though literally alliance means the action of state being united, but when more than one person being united and more than one political party, one social groups are united together for any specific purpose, then it is called alliance. Next word is campaign. Dear cadets, especially during the election, we hear this word, that party campaign of a particular candidate. Campaign means a series of planned activities with a particular social, commercial, or political aim. Next word is mobilize. Cadets, the literal meaning of mobilize means make something or somebody ready for service or action. So you, the cadets, are future leader. So we expect from you the better mobilization of the national resources, mobilization of the manpower, mobilization of the skilled personnel, and so on. Now, very important word is rule of law. Almost every conscious person of this universe is aware about this word. Rule of law is Bengali meaning Ainer Anushashan ba Ainer Shashan. Literally, its meaning is the condition everybody ready to accept the laws. But rule of law has 3 basic or fundamental characteristics. First one is supremacy of law. Second one is everybody is equal in the eye of law. Third and final one is law is equally applicable for everybody in every time, everywhere. Next word is constructive. Cadets, we are familiar with the word constructive criticism. It is negative word, but actually the concept and idea of this word is not negative, totally positive. For example, constructive criticism means criticism which have the useful purpose. If don't have the purpose or useful purpose, then it is negative one. So from you, we are expecting that you will be the constructive criticizer. Last word is inevitable. Inevitable means the situation which is impossible to avoid. That's all about the keywords. My dear cadets, Now I am going to discuss the definition of political party. In general sense, a political party is defined as an organized group of people that tries to assume power in a lawful manner by propagating their political manifesto and forming public opinion. Different sociologists, political thinkers, and political scientists have given the definition of political party. Out of those definitions, I have chosen only two. One is from Professor Gettel, another is from McIver. Professor Gettel says a political party consists of a group of citizens more or less organized who act as a political unit and who, by using their voting power, aims to control the government and carry out their general policies. Cadets, have a look on this definition and try to understand. This definition, the keywords are group of citizens who are organized and act as political unit, using the voting power, finally control the government, who are carrying some general and special and particular policies and program. Next one is from McIver. McIver says a political party is an association organized in support of some principle or policies which by pro-constitutional means it endeavors to determinant of the government. Dear cadets, also have a look on this definition. The word association, organized, principle, policies, pro-constitutional means, a determinant of government are the keyword and word to be understood. These are very important, pertinent, related, relevant action, concept, ideals of the political party. So, after the brief discussion, the definition of Professor Gettel and McIver, political party means an organized group of people who try to identify the socio-economic, cultural, and political problems to citizens by political leadership, who are molding or building the public opinion to solve the multivarious problems means socio-economic, cultural, religious, and political problems. Finally, they try to form the government in lawful manner. Lawful manner means through free, fair, and neutral election. The aims and objectives of the political parties. Dear cadets, each and every political party of this modern world have their own aims and objectives. Without the aims and objectives, a political party is without a boat without a sail or sailor. First, aims and objectives of political party to identify the problems of the country and make programs and policies and implement them being united principles. Political parties should have the power and capacity to identify the regional as well as national or international problems and crises. The problems are from individual to collective as socio-economic, cultural, religious, and political problem and crises. And after the identifying of the problems and crises, the political party is able to implement their policies and program to wither out the crisis or meet the challenges. The cadets, next one is to create public support by making the development of the country by implementing party policies and program. Here, cadets, we should keep in mind that without the public support, no one can do anything collectively. Development depends on the public support. If there is no share of public and mass people, the ultimate goal, development or progress, will not be attained. Next one, to achieve national progress and development of the country by implementing party policies and to keep up the national interest above all. Progress and development of the country should be faced and made as a challenge. And implementing their policies, political party will remove or solve the problems. But during removing and solving the problems, irrespective of individual, particular political party, or the particular region, the interest should be for all. The importance should be given for each and every citizen, individual of the country. Last one, to assume power through a systematic legal electoral process for the fixed tenure and establish political dominance on other. Dear cadets, we should keep in mind, without the power, any political party will not be able to implement their policies and program and also do something betterment and development and progress for the nation as well as for the world humanity. That's why political party should have their state power. And here dominance, political dominance is a negative word, rather establishing political dominance means establishing political governance. My dear cadets, after the brief discussion on the introduction and stating meaning of the keywords, definition, evaluation of the definition, and the aims and objectives of the political party, we can say in conclusion that a political party is an organized people, assume power by election, form the governments and implement party policies. Moreover, objectives of political party is to identifying problems, molding public opinion, and keep the national interest above all. Cadets, after finishing today's online lecture, I am posting for you a topic related question. According to the merit of the question is higher order thinking ability. So think deeply and write precisely the answer of this question. Question is, do you think our political leaders are purposefully following the aims and objectives of political party, which you have learned from today's online class? Dear cadets, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your health, and convey my salam to your respected parents. Assalamu alaikum.